It's that wonderful time of the year again, where the warm glow of Christmas fills the capital and we start to plan the magic of Christmas. And for us, it's about creating the magic and spirit of this special time of year with the kids, regardless of their age. And as we look back and reflect on what defines Christmas for us, we share a few thoughts and ideas that hopefully inspire and resonate for you. This is our story.
Father Christmas!
There are Christmas experiences and then there's Lapland UK. Just 45 minutes from central London is an enchanted forest with a secret doorway to Lapland.
That's it, hold on tight. Let's go then. I'm with you, Eva.
Lots of jolliness.
Thank you.
Have an elf tusk.
From the moment you arrive, the real world fades away. You're no longer in the UK, you're deep in an enchanted forest where elves are real, magic is alive, and Christmas is exactly what you would always hoped it would be. Only bigger, richer, and more beautifully imagined.
We're behind you, baby.
We got you.
Wow, human folk. Did Father Christmas invite you all here? Yeah. Oh, that's really exciting. That means you must be here to help us make some toys. Okay then, small folk, you can use this door. Welcome to the toy factory. In you go.
What makes Lapland UK so special is the detail. Children aren't rushed from activity to activity. Instead, they're guided through a narrative.
My name is Whittle, and I'm Hello everyone.
Learning about elves and helping with Christmas preparations for the big day.
Say bye to the elves. Thank you for helping us.
It's immersive in the truest sense, not loud or overstimulating, but thoughtful, magical, and incredibly atmospheric. Every sound, every smell, every interaction is carefully crafted.
With a little bit of honey as a special Sunday morning treat, doesn't he?
You don't just watch a performance, you become part of it.
Keep going.
The forest feels
How
alive.
magical is this, Eva?
La 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 la. It's really magical. La 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 la.
And the storytelling pulls you in gently, so even the grown-ups forget to be skeptical.
Mama, can we try ice skating?
Yeah, come on, Jaxie. Hi, Jaxie.
We love the fact that Lapland UK is as much for the adults as it is the kids. It taps into nostalgia, the Christmases we remember, the ones that felt full of wonder. It reminds you what the season is meant to feel like: slower, warmer, more meaningful. You're not just watching your kids experience the magic, you're experiencing it with them.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
where's Father Christmas?
Where is Father Christmas? Good question.
And it's all about building to that most anticipated moment, meeting Father Christmas himself. And when that moment comes, it's calm, personal, and genuinely emotional.
Are we ready?
Right, Father Christmas said he's ready for you to come in, but what do you do?
No conveyor belts, no shouting crowds, just a quiet, magical encounter that feels incredibly special for children and parents.
Oh my goodness, good to see you. Come on in, Big Fog as well.
Hello, Big Fog.
Hi.
Would you like to come and have a seat next to Father Christmas?
Hi.
That's it. Up you come. Yes, oh, I'm afraid it's a bit high, that seat, isn't it?
Lapland UK isn't about rides or gimmicks, it's about belief. Belief in magic, belief in storytelling, belief that Christmas can still feel special in a world that's often very busy and very noisy. Keep in mind it's expensive, but Lapland UK doesn't just create memories, it becomes part of your family's Christmas story. And as the kids grow older, it doesn't have to stop there, because if you're really lucky, you might even get a taste of Lapland, even closer to home,
He hit me in the eye.
as the snow falls in our hometown in Hertfordshire, and the enchanted forest comes to your doorstep.
Yeah, I don't miss you either.
And there's even more magic down the road in Leavesden. Warner Brothers Studio Tour London. The making of Harry Potter is just outside London, and the very place where all 8 Harry Potter films were shot and brought to life. This is where it all began, the very first set ever built for the films, and the heart of Hogwarts itself. Every detail in this room carries weight. The long wooden tables where friendships were formed, rivalries ignited, victories celebrated. Above you, the iconic floating candles with towering Christmas trees, festive decorations, and a warm golden glow that instantly transports you back to Hogwarts' most magical moments. It's nostalgic, comforting, and quietly breathtaking. Leaving Hogwarts behind, the light begins to fade, and you step into the Forbidden Forest. This is where the wizarding world turns darker, deeper, and far more dangerous. The forest closes in around you, and the giant spiders known as acromantulas come into view.
Wave out the window now, wave to camera.
And then it's on to Privet Drive, where Harry's journey began. Turn around and you can jump on board the triple-decker night bus from the Prisoner of Azkaban. And then it's on to the Hogwarts entrance. A wooden bridge, weathered stone, all designed to mirror the feeling of arriving at Hogwarts for the very first time. Walking into Gringotts Wizarding Bank is one of those moments on the studio tour where you instinctively slow down and just stare. This is not just a set, it's a world in its own right. Towering marble columns, gleaming floors, and that vast echoing hall immediately make you feel small. It's grand, intimidating, and incredibly elegant, exactly how the Wizarding World's most powerful bank should feel. Beyond the main banking hall, gold piles high, treasures glint under torchlight, and looming nearby is the dragon, chained and scarred, ready to unleash its fury. And then it's time for the iconic Diagon Alley, which feels like stepping straight inside the pages of the books. This is the Wizarding World, at its most alive, most playful, and most immersive. The street curves gently ahead of you, packed tight with crooked shop fronts, leaning windows and hand-painted signs. Nothing is straight, nothing is ordinary. Every inch is bursting with detail, and that's exactly the point. And then just when you think the tour can't possibly give you one more moment of wonder, you step into the room with Hogwarts itself. The giant scale castle model sits before you, blanketed in snow, glowing softly under a twilight sky. It's breathtaking, not just in size, but in detail. Every turret, tower, bridge, and courtyard has been painstakingly crafted by hand, creating a miniature world that feels utterly alive. This is the model used for the sweeping exterior shots throughout the films. The Hogwarts we all recognize instantly, and the one we've watched through changing seasons, years, and stories. And there's also nothing better than wandering around London and soaking up the wonderful Christmas atmosphere from Covent Garden to Cold Drops Yard.
Thank you so much.
And a little closer to home is TewinBury Farm, This is what Christmas looks like in the countryside. Thousands of twinkling Christmas lights wind through the farm, lighting up the barns, pathways and open fields, turning the whole place into a winter wonderland. It feels magical, calm and quietly festive.
Take a photo! Cheeseburger! I said cheeseburger!
Walking through the lights, with the countryside all around you, feels a million miles away from the city. Every corner glows.
Come on! Santa's butter!
Trees wrapped in warm fairy lights. And soft lighting guiding you through the farm. It's the kind of Christmas atmosphere that makes you slow down. No crowds, no noise, just crisp air, cozy vibes, and that soft festive sparkle everywhere you look. Whether you're visiting for dinner, staying the night, or just soaking it all in, TewinBury Farm is just a lovely place to be and spend time with the family, and a perfect place to grab some food. Whether that be a slice of pizza, a beer, mulled wine, or a good old mince pie. Christmas isn't really about the rush or the lists or getting everything perfect. It's about time. Time spent with the people who matter most. It's the warmth of twinkling lights on dark winter nights, the comfort of familiar places, the simple joy of slowing down, switching off, and just being together. It's long walks in crisp air, cozy evenings wrapped up at home, laughter around the table, and those small moments that quietly become the memories you'll hold on to. Whether you're out soaking up the festive glow or staying in, warm and comfortable, Christmas is about feeling connected to each other, to tradition, and to the magic of the season. That's what Christmas really means. We wish you all a very happy Christmas, happy holidays from us at Happy Lolly. And if you like what you see, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll do our best to entertain and inform with our travels across the globe.